Hi, this is Linda Bermania. I will be talking today about Bed Bath & Beyond. As you can see, Bed Bath & Beyond, their history, the company began in the early 1970s. It was originally named Bed and Bath. Then, actually, in 1987, the name changed to Bed Bath & Beyond. This change was made because the company decided to begin selling more than just bed and bath items. They decided to branch out into such things as cookware, dinnerware, kitchen textiles, kitchen utensils, small electronics, and also some basic home furnishings. Back in 1987, there were approximately 1,530 stores in all 50 U.S. states, as well as in the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, and Canada. Bed Bath & Beyond was a pioneer of the superstore concept, meaning that the stores were large, well-stocked specialty shops, and they had comparable or lower priced items than what a department store would have. The main competitors for Bed Bath & Beyond at this time are Target, Walmart, IKEA, Linens and things, and also Kohl's. And Kohl's has jumped into being one of the main competitors because they have also branched out, and they have candles and bedding, small furniture items in some of the stores. They're starting to put in some electronics, but not as many as they used to. But they do have kitchen appliances, and they also have branched out much more in the kitchen utensil area. Now I'm going to talk about the financial status of Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond hasn't been doing real well since about February of 2019. They've been in a downward trend. So as of October 24th, 2021, they decided to launch a new line by Studio 3B. It's a owned brand line of contemporary home decor, which is inspired by a more modern design. The thought behind bringing in Studio 3B would help customers have a happier home. They wanted to have it a more approachable and modern design of everyday living. The collection is going to consist of casual, warm, and inviting homeware and on-trend assortment of decor, bedding, bath items, and accent furniture, and it's going to be affordably priced. You'll be able to get items either in the store or online. But going back to the financial statement here and why they did that, as you can see that in February of 2018, they were much higher in regards to their financial, like their revenue. And as you see here in February of 2021, their revenue was only $9,233. They had a actual, if you look further down in the chart, they had a negative net income. So they're not doing very well at this point. So they are definitely hoping that adding Studio 3B will help, and they're also planning to add approximately 8 other different owned brand line. items in their store. Bed Bath & Beyond, some of their additional information on finances that I can give to you is that their PE ratio is at 24.63. Their current dividend payout is actually at $0. Their current dividend yield is also at 0%. With this financial information, you can see that it's not actually really good as far as a market standard would be. So Bed Bath & Beyond has decided to re-strategize and reevaluate the company to make positive changes to improve this data. We'll look at the cost of capital and some other data. Bed Bath & Beyond, their cash and investments are at $1.4 billion. Their long-term debt is at $1,190.2 million. Their total shareholder equity is at $1,697 million. Their total capital is actually at $4,757,191. Their company debt is 64% of the total capital, and their stockholder equity is at 36%. Their cash conversion since February of 2018, you can see has gone down. One of the major changes for Bed Bath & Beyond to try to improve their financial numbers is that the internal operating environment, it has improved over the last few quarters, and it will continue to rebound in 2021. And that is because they hired a new management team, which is led by a widely respected Mark Triton. He was the former chief merchandise officer at Target, and he's come in and he's changed everything to help the company turn into a preferred destination for getting your home goods stuff. The changes are, some of them include revamping the stores, right-sizing the real estate footprint, making sure that it's the right size store that they need, and then also investing in e-commerce for the company. So I definitely am one of those customers that I'm hoping that things will change for the better for Bed Bath & Beyond. It's a large home goods store, wonderful chain stores throughout the United States, and it would really be devastating and sad to see the company go under because it could not make a profit. So I'm hoping you have learned some information about Bed Bath & Beyond and its financial statement at this time. Thank you.